What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Make sure y'all check out my new music video I just dropped, Camp with me. Just dropped on my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, them comments, and them likes up, all right? Gonna be dropping a lot of new music soon, so make sure you guys tapping in so you won't miss out on nothing because it's about to go down with this music, all right? About to be dropping some real life bangers from motivation to some Prodigy, you name it. With that being said, what's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle, and yes, this is the best money in credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You will be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels and my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from that YouTube channel and Twitch. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right. Got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. All right. And in today's video, we will talk about another credit builder loan. Yes, a credit builder loan, which is a payday credit builder loan. Yes, up to $10,000. And a lot of people out there are looking for ways to rebuild their credit profiles. So a lot of people out there are starting to learn the real logistics of credit and how it really works, on how to really proper structure your credit worthiness, get your credit scores together so you can start getting in the world of funding. So you can help. And if you are somebody that's looking to start a business, you can also utilize your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business and start getting funding fast. All right. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the gems that's gonna help you win. All right. So when it comes to, first of all, in order to get a loan approved for a loan, you gotta have your credit profile together. You gotta have everything that you need to have. So you gotta make sure you make enough money. You gotta make sure you got enough debt to income ratio. You gotta make sure your credit profile and worthiness and payment history and debt, all these things are together, which a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people hear bad credit loans and this and that, and they automatically think that just because you got bad credit, you'll get approved, or just because it's a no doc loan, you'll get approved with no documentation. No, it's deeper than that. So payday loans are for people who need funds fast for some type of emergency purposes that will also help them build their credit profile and credit worthiness, because it all comes with debt, payment history, and age. The age is how long it'll be on your account. The payment history is how long you've been making payments, and the debt is how much the loan is for. So a lot of people have different debt. A lot of people got different situations, and a lot of people don't understand that. Everybody credit profile, everybody credit scores are not the same. Everybody does not do the exact same thing. Some people never went to college, so they don't got student loans. Some people never financed a car, so they don't got auto loans. Some people never got a credit card, so they don't got credit cards. So a lot of people got a lot of different debt. Some people don't even have debt, so they just need to start structuring their credit profile. And every time you get some type of primary trade line on your account, it reports. I mean, some type of account or loan or something, it reports as a primary trade line on your account. So things happen, lives, and a lot of people let these debts go delinquent. So a lot of people are under the impression that having zero debt is the American dream, is the way to be, which is 100% incorrect. You need debt on your credit profile to show and manage that you can manage money, especially throughout life. So the problem is a lot of people get debt that have these accounts. It might be a 13-year-old account, 20-year-old account, 10-year-old account, and these accounts is what's bringing the age, the payment history, and the debt on your credit profile. And a lot of people want to dispute all their accounts and get their debt down to zero, not understanding that once you dispute these accounts, the age, the payment history, and the debt is now gone. So you no longer have any age on your credit profile. You have zero age, you have zero debt and payment history. And if you left those accounts and just opened them back up and start paying them, you will leave that age, that payment history, and that debt, no matter the late payments, no matter none of that. As long as you start paying on them, it'll do the exact same thing it was doing when you were paying on them before. help you build your credit profile, help you build your payment history, help you pay off that debt, which will show on your credit profile, which banks, lenders, and groups want to see. So disputing everything off your credit profile and getting zero debt is not a good idea, because now that you're disputing everything, you have zero debt and you're 30, 40, 50 years old, you're now in a position where you're older, and now you're going to need to have to get co-signers and credit builder savings loans and secure credit cards and loans, because you disputed everything off your account. Now you have nothing to show and prove that you can manage money. And like I said, at the end of the day, you have to show and prove that you can manage money that will allow the banks and lenders and groups to even consider you for somebody for some type of funding. If you can't show that you can manage money, they're not going to give it to you. So by you having zero debt, now you have to rebuild your credit profile. Now you got to get those things. And a lot of people think disputing those accounts, getting zero debt, then going to buy these expensive auto primary trade lines and AU accounts and these and from all these different places is going to build their credit report. And it's not. It's going to stay on there for a couple months, a month or two, or maybe three, and it's going to fall off. Those are for people who are looking to get some type of loan, credit card, or whatever at that time, and for your credit profile to look better. So it's not going to build your credit profile. It's going to make your credit profile look better at the time that you're trying to get approved for some type of funding. So you need real primary trade lines on your credit report. You need real credit builder trade lines on your credit report to actually stick and stay there and start building. So they got credit strong, they got Magnum credit, they got self, the Avas, the kickoffs, they got secured loans, credit cards. They got these places that will allow you to help you start building your credit profile, your credit worthiness, your payment history, and these things like that. That'll help you jump that bridge and say, okay, now you can start getting approved for unsecured loans and credit cards, $300 unsecured loan or something like that. So people got to understand that disputing everything off their credit report is not ideally what you want to do, because it's going to put you in a position where you got to start all the way over. And if you would have just start making payments on those accounts that you already had, it will continue to build your credit profile and your credit scores and your payment history. And a lot of people don't understand that. And managing your debt is the best thing to do. So it don't have to be all your accounts. It could be one account at a time. It could be whatever that you can manage. But as long as you're doing that instead of trying to dispute everything and go buy these trade lines, you will be in a better position. So it's a lot of people out there that's not understanding how credit scores, credit profiles, credit worthiness works. And then you got debt to income ratios. That's another key factor. Banks, lenders, and groups want to make sure you're at 36%, meaning that out of the revenue that you make a month, no more than 36% of your bill should be coming out of that. If it is, then you're gonna have a problem getting approved for a certain funding. And then you're in certain tiers. If you never had a loan before, you're gonna be at a lower tier. So it's just all about what you got on paper, what you can show that you can manage and what you can handle. And that's what's going to help you get approved for a loan, credit card, a line of credit, which is the documentations, your credit profile, and your credit worthiness. All right. So with that being said, Net Credit to the People has a $10,000 loan. All right. So the credit you've been looking for, online loans up to $10,000. All right. So fast funding, flexible terms, simple application. Learn more and learn more at our rates and terms. So check your eligibility. So Net Credit is a partner with Capital Community Bank and Republic Bank and Trust Company to offer personal loans and lines of credit in some states. In these states, applications will be underwritten by, approved by, and made by a lending partner bank. Accounts will be serviced by Net Credit. All right. So you're not just a credit score. You're more than a number in this database, and you deserve a financial solution designed for you. When you apply, advanced algorithms take a broader look at your finances to create an offer just for you. So learn how that works. So you pick what you need. So you can borrow an amount that meets your needs and repay in a way that works best for your financial situation. You can improve your finances. Some online lenders don't report to major credit bureaus. For Net Credit, personal loans and lines of credit, your payment history is reported to the major credit bureaus. That means you can build credit history by making online one-time payments, giving you the power to build a better future. All right. So helps you build your credit builder loan. So check your eligibility, see how much you can get in minutes, review your offer, choose what you want, and see if you're available in amounts, terms work for you. Get your money if approved. Requested funds are typically deposited the next business day or sooner. What we offer. So Net Credit is in lending partner banks offer two different funding options: lines of credit and personal loans. And Availability of each product way may vary by state. Both offer great features, so fast and secure online application process, funds the next business day or sooner, no collateral needed, on-time payments can build credit history, no payment for early payoffs. All right, so no prepayment penalties. All right, so just a little overview. So choosing a personal loan over a line of credit. So personal loans up to $10,000, lines of credit up to 4,500. So an installment loan that offers a lump sum with a predictable payments, and then a line of credit, revolving credit increases flexibility, and then it just really breaks down everything right here. So 60 months, you can duration of the term, open end credit, lump sum disperse up front, revolving access to funds, choose your loan amount and duration from the range you're offered, draw from your available credit as often as you like, refinance available in selected states. We all know about refinancing, get cheaper, get lower terms, get lower rates, fee saver and skip a pay. Always have much you're paying with a always know how much you're paying with a fixed APR and set payment amount. So payments are based on what you borrowed, not the total credit amount. All right. So credit limits are based off credit lines of credit are based payments are based off what you use. So if you don't use the whole 45, use $200, you're only responsible for paying off the $200. All right. So lines of credit are ideally more safer for people when it comes to making payments and how much you're going to be paying. All right. So make sure you guys are checking out net credit, because I don't think I brought them up. My fault. Make sure you guys are checking out net credit for the people. All right. So the credit you've been looking for, online loans up to $10,000, fast funding, flexible terms, simple application, check your eligibility. You're not just a credit score. You can pick what you need. You can improve your finances. So check your eligibility, review your offer, get your money. So right here, fast and secure online application process. On-time payments can build your credit history. No penalty for early payoff. And then it just breaks down things right here. All right. So, and then just some information down here. So make sure you guys are checking out net credit to the people. They're giving it the $10,000 credit builder loans, $4,500 lines of credit for credit building. And go check them out and see what they can do for you. All right. So make sure you guys are checking them out. So shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 unlimited gems are $1,000, but for limited time only, I am doing it for 500. Yes, 500 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 500 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat on the crypto tour in-person limited gems, 3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money when we meet in person. Make sure y'all book y'all seat on the month-long mentorship, 30 days. Anything you need help with, anything you want to talk about, let's get to work. Let's elevate and grow. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App Millionaire Network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, women, gamer streamers, and content creators. Any cameraman or woman in Houston, Texas, or Milwaukee, Wisconsin, hit me up on my IG. Let's push out this content and run up a bag. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the notification bell on my YouTube channels and my Twitch. Make sure you follow me on my new IG, King Hustle X1M.2, for more free sauce, free methods, and information that's going to turn you into a boss. And make sure y'all checking out the crypto world, because it's changing people's lives. And with that being said, it's your boy, King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson, video, or live. Peace. Also, make sure y'all go check out my latest mixtape, Hustle and Flow. Got some good motivational music for you right there. And also, make sure y'all go check out my new video I just dropped, Camp with me, on my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, them comments, and them likes up. And with that being said, I'm going to leave y'all with a little preview. Peace.